If your shoulders ache, your lower back feels tight, or your hips never seem to loosen up, stop chasing temporary relief. Heating pads, pain meds, massages, even expensive treatments all do the same thing. They cover up symptoms without fixing the cause. Because the real problem usually isn't injury or damage, it's lost movement. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 fundamental stretches I personally use to eliminate pain, rebuild mobility, and keep my body moving smoothly without fancy equipment or long workouts. These aren't random stretches. They target the exact areas where pain starts: shoulders, spine, hips, ankles, and wrists. Stick with me until the end, because when you combine these 5, they can completely change how your body feels in just a few weeks. Let's start with the one almost nobody does consistently, but absolutely should. Exercise 1. Dead hang. This isn't a pull-up, this is shoulder rehab. Every healthy human should be able to hang from a bar, but most people lose this ability over time. Dead hanging decompresses your spine, resets shoulder mechanics, strengthens your grip, and reverses the hunched posture that creates chronic pain. If you have tight shoulders, neck pain, or constant upper back tension, this is where you start. You don't need to hang for minutes, you just need to hang daily. Let gravity do the work. Use a doorway bar, the gym, or even a playground. Assist with your feet if needed. Hold for 10 seconds at a time if that's all you have. Over time, build up to 30 to 60 seconds per hang. Grip just outside shoulder width. Relax your shoulders, breathe, and let your body hang completely. Do this consistently, and within weeks, you'll notice better posture, less neck tension, and healthier shoulders. Exercise 2. QL side stretch. This is lower back relief nobody teaches. The quadratus lumborum runs along both sides of your lower spine. When it's tight, it creates that deep, nagging back pain that never fully goes away. Hamstrings won't fix this. Back extensions won't fix this. You need to stretch the QL directly. Stand tall, raise one arm overhead, and lean straight to the side. No twisting. You should feel a deep stretch from your hip to your armpit. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, breathing deeply, then switch sides. Let gravity pull you deeper with each exhale. Do this twice a day. Within a week, most people feel noticeable relief and improved side bending mobility. Exercise 3. Kneeling thoracic extension. Most lower back pain isn't caused by the lower back, it's caused by a stiff upper back. Your thoracic spine is designed to extend. Modern life locks it into flexion. When it can't move, your lower back overworks to compensate. Kneel down, place your elbows on a bench or chair, and sink your chest toward the floor while keeping your hips over your knees. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds. On each exhale, gently push your chest down. All the movement should come from your upper back, not your lower back. Do this daily and you'll notice better posture, easier breathing, and reduced back and shoulder pain. Exercise 4. Calf wall pump. Your ankles and calves are the foundation of your entire body. When they're stiff, everything above them suffers. Face a wall, step 1 foot back, keep the heel down, and drive your front knee forward toward the wall, then release back. Pump forward for 2 seconds, release for 1 second. Do 15 to 20 reps, then repeat with the back knee slightly bent. Switch sides. This active stretch restores ankle mobility faster than static stretching and helps protect your knees, hips, and lower back. Exercise 5. Wrist and forearm rock. This is pain relief for the digital age. Get on your hands and knees, turn your fingers back toward your knees, and gently rock backward and forward for 15 to 20 reps. Then turn your fingers out to the sides and repeat. Finally, place the backs of your hands on the floor and rock gently for 10 to 15 reps. Finish with slow wrist circles. This restores wrist and forearm mobility and relieves pain caused by typing, phone use, and gripping. You don't need more stretches. You need the right ones, done consistently. When movement disappears, pain shows up. Restore movement, and pain often fades on its own. Do these daily. Morning, dead hang, QL stretch, and calf pump. Evening, thoracic extension and wrist rocks. Less than 15 minutes. No equipment, no excuses. If this helped, hit like so more people see it. Comment which area you're starting with and subscribe for simple movement that actually fixes the root problem. Your body already knows how to feel good again. You just have to let it move.